Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Code to Be a Java Programmer. Today is day 49 of our coding journey. Yesterday we discussed the access modifiers in Java. Today we'll explore one of the most important concepts in object-oriented programming, that is polymorphism. Let's dive in. So polymorphism is of two types: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Basically, the word polymorphism gets divided into two. Poly means many, morphism means behaviors. So basically, it consists of many behaviors. So as our human beings, we human beings have many behaviors, right? During home, we behave differently, and when we are at office, we behave differently. When we are with our friends, we behave differently, right? So according to the situation, we behave differently. So this is known as polymorphism. That is based on the situation, it behaves differently with many behaviors. So this polymorphism is divided into two types: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. It is also otherwise known as early binding and late binding. So compile time polymorphism is something that which knows that during the compile time which has to be executed. Okay, so during the compile time it knows which has to be executed, whereas runtime polymorphism is something which knows that during runtime, only during runtime it knows which particular thing has to be executed. Okay, with related to this we have two things. One is overloading and overriding. Method overloading, we have seen about it earlier, but it's okay, let me recall it once again. So what method overloading is, actually we'll have two different, not two different, of course, two methods with the same name. Okay, we have two methods with the same name, whereas the input parameters will be different. If this add method gets two int parameters, the another add method gets three int parameters. Okay, so this would be the method overloading, and based upon the parameter the execution chooses which method it has to choose. Okay, this is known as method overloading. And you know what method overriding is? If B inherits A, okay, if B is a class of A and both A and B has the same method with the same number of parameters, then it will, the method which is in B will be dominating, and this is basically known as overriding. So for now it is good to understand what polymorphism and what are the two types and what is method overloading and overriding. In the later class we'll be exploring what they are in detail. Okay, so this is actually more enough. So let me just recall it once again. Polymorphism is a core concept in object-oriented programming that allows objects to be treated as instances of their parent class rather than their actual class. This enables a single inheritance to be used for a general class of actions, making code more flexible and easier to maintain. So thank you for joining me on day 49 of Let's Code to Be a Java Programmer. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified about our daily coding sessions. See you tomorrow for day 50. Happy coding!